Hey guys, Amzchef decided to send me this portable range hood. I can't wait to show you how it is, especially in a small apartment every time we cook. Just the normal one doesn't work, so I'm going to show you how this one works.
A little simple seasoned steak there.
Okay guys, so first we're going to use the one that obviously comes with the apartment, and then we're going to show you how this just sucks it all up like the smoke. So let's get to cooking.
But you can already kind of see some of the smoke. So usually when we use this pan, it gets pretty heavy. So let's see. So usually this is about the time where we're gonna hit the fan. So the fan's doing okay, not super great. So now we're going to turn this one off, and we're just going to use the Amzchef. This one has a few different settings, but we're going to start off with maybe just the basic one here. You can already see just on that setting. That's the medium setting.
Oh yeah, it's taking it.
And then for the heavy duty ones,
So we're just going to turn this one on. That way you can suck it all up. Alright guys, I'm done. I did my hair and makeup. I'm going to do the top 10 apartments here in Las Vegas tonight, or today. But right now I have to run to Sprouts, get a few things. But it's so freaking windy. Like, it is beyond windy. And I'm like, oh, yep, it is the time. Every year, like around April and May, it's like insane. Windy every single day. It's just awful. And because it's allergy season, it's like it gets even worse. Like I wake up with an even more puffy face. Okay, let's take Ozzy out, and then Sprouts, and then come back and start to film, then edit, then put out. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, I'm just eating my breakfast. Got some Nutella. I swear this wind sucks. Like, absolute sucks. I feel like just in general, I feel like Vegas has one of the worst weathers. Like, living in Tucson, I got used to the heat. I remember it reached to like 120 once, and I was like, bring it on. Because I was so used to it by then. But I just can't do wind. I feel like wind is just annoying. It gets, like, your hair gets in your eyes, your face, everywhere. Forget doing your hair. What's the point? Might as well do that like tight ponytail that I end up looking like a bold Dora the Explorer. YouTube has changed the way you get paid now. You get paid less now. They've changed it because apparently they because of inflation. I'm like, how does that work? They're not a product, it's like a digital thing. So I'm like, I don't know. Obviously there must be something, but me personally, I don't understand it. So, but yeah, I'm getting paid less now, and I'm making less on YouTube. So now it's like what I made last year. This time around, I was making pretty okay. Now I've got like a sweet spot, and it just stays like in the 300s. But that's all right. You know, I just, with YouTube, it's a long-term thing. You know, you have to just push yourself. You have to just continue to keep making your content, you know, making the way that you like your own content and stuff. And yeah, you just gotta keep pushing through. It's not easy, but it's not impossible either, you know. So if you want to start your channel, if you want to start anything on the social media platforms, I would say go for it. Who cares what anyone thinks? I have great people that watch my channel, and I get to help them, you know. And yeah, I sometimes come across like not so nice comments, you know, and not so nice people, but just like high school, you know. It's like primary school and high school. It is what it is. You don't like me, you don't like me, you know. But get to know me, then make that decision. You know what I mean? Yeah, YouTube is not easy. You know, YouTube is getting harder. They've changed a lot of things this year. Obviously, they've changed the pay. They've changed pushing certain videos. But, you know, the way that I see it is I feel that there is no specific way of doing YouTube. You just got to do it. I truly love the support that I get from you guys. You know, you guys keep me going, and you truly say like things that, you know, when my mind is like clouded, and then I look at my comments, and some people even send me a message when I'm like feeling down, obviously for other reasons, but yeah, I will like have a bad day, and then I look at my phone and I see a message and I'm like, thank you, good person. But I'm gonna finish my breakfast and then I'll get back to you. Hey guys, I just finished my top 10 apartments. Hopefully it came out right. It's been stressful. I had done a list already. When I do apartments, they give you like paperwork and stuff. So what I did is I mixed that paperwork with the list that I had been working on. And by accident, Richard chucked it. And I was looking for it today and I'm like, oh no. Like it was such a good list that I had made, and I had called some of the apartments, and so that took some of the wind out of my sails. And I don't know, I had to kind of just make one really quickly because I did want to put one out. So I remembered some of the apartments that I did, but I also added some apartments that I didn't put on the other list just in case, because I forgot it. But yeah, stressful. It's so stressful, and it is so windy today. Like it is insane. I couldn't go out anywhere today because of the wind. I was like, I'm not gonna go out with this freaking wind. It's disgusting. Like I'm like, absolutely not. So got my laptop. Let's go edit that top 10 video.